Hello friends, welcome to another video. Now, as you already know, my name is Sunil Kumar, and as you have seen on my YouTube channel, I share content related to analysis on the forex pairs like gold, GJ, NAS 100 and US 30. Now, I have created these kind of videos, but I have never created a video where I talked about myself. So today is Sunday, I had some time, so I thought like this one is going to be a good idea where I talk about myself. I give a little bit introduction of me so that who all watches my content, watch my videos, so they know a little bit about me. So my name is Sunil Kumar, and as far as my source of income is concerned, so trading is not my main source of income. I'm still a learner. I learn, and just here and there whenever I have time, I just create videos and analysis videos and post on my YouTube channel. Basically, I'm a software engineer, and I have a 9 to 5 job. So basically from Monday to Friday I go to office. I reach office around 9:30, and I leave the office around 6 o'clock. In the morning I take 1.5 hours to reach office, and in the evening it take me around 2 hours to come back home. So like by 8 o'clock Indian Standard Time I come back home, and after that from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock I just look at the market, gold, GJ, NAS 100 and US 30, and I try to find some trading opportunity. If I find a trading opportunity, it's a fine. Otherwise, I just, as usual, I go to sleep and go to office next day. So whenever I get some time, I just create these analysis videos. So right now I'm just living in Hyderabad because my company is here and I have to go to office. So my main home is in Haryana. So this was a small video where I talk about myself. If you want to know something more, and if you have any kind of feedback and comments, you can share in the comment section so that I get some guidance what kind of content I should be creating.